Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and this is my public speaking presentation titled, Don't Let Your Life Become a Snowball. Beauty and the Beast is a very well-known movie, and when the live-action version came out, there was a phrase that really spoke to me, which is, "We've made our bed, and we must lie in it." Last school year, I wrote this quote on a sticky note and put it by my bed, and it's still there right now to remind me that my actions create consequences, and I have to be responsible for the consequences. A lot of times, my time management could use improvement, and I know from a fact that it's not hard to use your time wisely. But I do know that it's hard to resist that 5-minute YouTube video or just a couple minutes scrolling on Instagram. Soon your whole day is consumed in these things. Having the self-discipline to manage your time is key to success. It was in the fall semester of 2018 when my oldest brother got married. During the first 2 weeks of school, I was helping with wedding stuff and hanging out with my family having fun. But I didn't have all of my homework done before this all happened. I thought it would be easy to do it later because it was the easier stuff. And guess what happened next? I was behind because my self-discipline was not strong enough to manage my time the way it needed to be. I'm a hot mess in my homework by this time, and if you don't get a strong hold on it early, it ends up in the snowball effect. That's what happened, and soon September was coming to a close, and my mom finally stepped in to help me. She knew it was high time that I needed to be caught up. I had 50+ assignments to do. It took me clear till finals to finish everything I had gotten behind on. I had to work extremely hard some days. There were definitely sacrifices for my actions. For example, there was a nice thick book that I was supposed to read in the span of a month. Well, I thought I had time, and soon there was only about a week and a half left of the month. My mom made me read it in a week. I had read for countless hours. I've gotten much better, but there's still a lot of room for improvement. In closing, in order to stay afloat, we must hold ourselves to a higher standard, not let the world get a hold of us, and start out by finding what's most important to us so we know where that higher standard is. There is nothing too hard to do. We let ourselves think that it's harder than it is. We tell ourselves that this is much more fun than what we need to do, and I'll do that later. But there is always something fun going on, so pick and choose your battles carefully. If you do what you've always done, you will get what you've always got.